All right, guys, Dad just got one.
First one of the day.
Ooh.
That's a 10-incher.
Good
probably.
10, 11-incher. Where's the measure?
Did it pull your bobber under?
Yes, it did.
Where's
Pulled it right under.
tape, Jeremy?
Measuring tape. It's in the car. Nice.
Yeah, pretty good one, huh?
Yeah.
You got to set it, eh?
I did.
Huh?
I did.
Oh, you didn't have him this time? He took it again?
No, it's the metal's on it.
All right, guys. What was it? What was it? Stop. What was it? What was it? What was it?
Ouch!
What was it?
It was either a jumbo crappie or a bass.
Ooh. Keep casting. That's the
The fourth one!
that's the third time that's happened. His bobber goes under and disappears.
Ouch. My was too tight.
Okay, well, somebody just grab a minnow and then just put it right on.
Yeah.
On mine.
I lost it again!
Again?
Again!
No way!
This hook is too small. This hook
Or is it too big?
is too small.
You lost the fish again?
Gold.
It was a golden fish.
It was my bass.
Ooh.
Fourth time!
It's not.
You have him?
I don't know because I can't reel in. Remember how my rod does that?
Oh.
And you can't. Oh.
Alright,
Yeah,
you
that's
got
good.
fish.
That's a good one. Looks like
No, it isn't.
Is it a keeper?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a keeper to me.
Nice.
Yeah, it's a second keeper. Oh yeah, definitely.
Good. Nice. We'll see you when we get another one.
Got one?
What is it, crappie?
Don't know. Feels like it might be a bass.
Yeah, he ain't stripping like that.
No, it's a
Oh, it's
crappie.
a nice crappie. Oh yeah.
Good one.
Finally.
You got him on the board now, huh?
No, I caught more. I caught 2.
Bro, that's a good crappie.
That's at least 10.
Yeah, that's a good one.
That's a keeper.
Man, he
Bro, I
fought
was catching them 14 inches long,
more. Wow.
15 inches long the other day in the camp.
Dad, you got one?
That's a baby.
That's a good one. Look
That's
at
a good one.
son. Look at this slam
That's a
crappie.
small one.
Look at this thing. Golly. This the type I was catching. Look at this thing. This thing is huge, bro.
That's like good.
Look at that thing. I told you, bro. I've been catching them like this in the net. That thing is
How big
huge,
is
bro.
that?
I don't
like
know. Let's measure
15.
it. I
That's
told you I've been
easy.
catching them 15. That thing's a
That's
slab, ain't it?
15, man, or 16. Down to 0.
That's 15 all day long.
About 14, 15 inches.
Wow.
I told you I've been catching them like.